What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael, and on this channel I am reviewing gadgets, different stuff from Amazon. I am teaching you how to sell on Amazon, how to source these products, and also how to rewire your mindset, get rid of old programming, and set up new successful habits in your life. Okay, so if you are interested in those stuff, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video to show me you appreciate the content and you want more of it. And other than that, let's get started. Today we are unboxing this 3D pen set, and this is a set with the pen holder, USB charger. We've got over 100 meters of filament, and we've got a large mat, a large stencil book, and we've got some finger protectors. So the one I have here actually has a metal motor, and if you look for a 3D pen, I suggest you get one with metal motor simply because they are much more durable. And also try to get an entire set simply because it just makes your life easier. Okay, so when you have some filaments inside and some mat and some stencil book as well. So this particular pen, it's an upgraded version. It supports two types of filaments. One which is PLA, which works within 160 to 110 Celsius, and ABS, which works at a slightly higher temperature, so that will help you kind of create various creations. And basically you can work each way. You can work up, you can work to the left, you can work to the right, top, down, anything. Okay, and you can create beautiful creations with this pen. So let's take a look inside and let's see what's actually in the box. So I've already cut the box, but I did not look inside, so I'm just going to take out the content. I'm actually super excited to see how this is going to work. Let's take a look. Okay, so that would be everything that is in the box. So at first we have, okay, so those are our filaments, and I believe we've got a few types of filaments here. We've got various colors, 5 meters, 20 pieces, and I think we've got some extra filaments here as well. So that's going to be interesting. I've never used something like that, so it's going to be a good experience. We've got a thank you card, and there is a link to the ebook which you can download from the website, so make sure to check this. And in case of any issues, there is an email address as well. So this is going to be a 3D pen copy painting book. Okay, so we've got some stencils that we can use basically to create some various creations. Okay, so this is just a book. We've got something here. Again, I've never used this, so I don't know what is this for, but apparently you can actually create quite a lot of stuff out of this book. So that's good. There is actually quite a large variety of various stencils here and various creations you can do. Okay, I'll give it a good test later, and we'll see how it works. So this is the mat. Let's take a look at the mat before we get to the meat of our package. So we have a mat, and we've got finger protectors, which I believe are quite important if you are working with higher temperatures. Now, I do know there are two types of mats. There is a small mat and there is a large mat. So this is a large mat. I've got a ruler here so we can actually check the size of it. So this one is 28.5 or 11.5 inch, more or less, by 20 centimeters or, sorry, 20 centimeters or, where is my, I hate these rulers. That's something different. Okay, so let's just say it's 20 centimeters by 29 centimeters. You do the conversion. Okay, so you can actually use this to do your creations, and we've got 4 of these finger protectors, and they fit surprisingly, which is great. Awesome. So I'll put this to the side, and now we are getting to the meat of this set, which is the 3D pen with metal motor. So let's take a look at the actual box. Not a lot on this side. Read instructions before operating, obviously. No one is doing that, but I do recommend you do this. It's got the certification, it's got the EN71, CFC, whatever you need, which is great. And the color is blue, at least for my pen. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so when we open the box, we've got the 3D pen immediately. Let's take it out and let's have a look. Okay, plastic construction. We've got two buttons, which I don't know what they are for. This may be for speed. Again, I don't know. You've got some arrows here. Presumably this is to put the filament in and take it out. You load the filament through the hole here, I believe. Again, this is just my guess. And this is probably for charging. And this is where the filament comes out. Okay, so you can detach this. I think I'm not gonna do this before reading manual because I don't want to break it. And that is it. Okay, so plastic construction, but quite sturdy. I think the most important part is the motor inside, actually. So that's good. It's a metal construction here. And now inside the box, oh, look at that. We've got a few more filaments. So like a starter pack, you can experiment with those. We've got the pen holder, I believe, which you would do this. Okay, so quite important to have that as well, simply because you want to do something with your pen when you kind of stop or pause your creations. Then we've got the charger, which is a UK plug, which is good, and it's the USB power supply. Okay, so you can pretty much charge this wherever you want. So you can just take this one and you can plug this into your computer, into your laptop, into a power bank, whatever you want. Or if you are at home, you can just simply plug it in and plug it into the socket. Okay, so then we've got the instruction manual, which seems to be quite fairly straightforward. Not a lot to... Okay, so the buttons are used to select the mode, the type of filament. Okay, it's quite easy actually to operate. You load the filament here, you charge here. You've got the description of the buttons: load filament button, unload filament button, heating nozzle, that's it. Okay, so that seems to be very simple to use actually. We'll have a look. And then we have something else in the box, which I'm not quite sure what that is. Hard to say. I'll have a read about this. But that is pretty much it. So we've got the instruction, we've got that card, we've got the filaments, which is actually, guys, quite a lot of filaments here, okay? So that should last you a while. It's quite a big bag, and we've got over, I believe this is 100 meters, and this is 9 extra meters. So various colors. Awesome, great, I do like it. You have finger protectors, which is quite important. You've got the power adapter. You've got the 3D pen with the metal motor. You've got that pen holder. You have the large stencil mat or 3D pen mat, however they call this. And you've got quite a nice, quite an extensive book of designs, which I need to learn how to use. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.